Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about the new Patrickstarrr collection. I have both of the collections here for you guys, and I wanted to show you guys the palettes, and also I wanted to do a look for you guys as well. I know I may be a little bit late with this collection. I know it launched, I want to say on April. I think it was April that it launched. Yeah, I think it was like late April or middle April that it launched. And I was actually on the fence on whether I wanted to get this or not. I kept looking at it in the MAC store and I was like, you know what? Let me just get it. So I did pick it up on Saturday, and I'm excited because I haven't even opened the boxes. I obviously have seen a bunch of videos on some makeup tutorials on these, but I have not even checked anything out for myself. I've just like seen it. I haven't touched anything like that. I haven't swatched anything. So really quickly before we get started on this video, please don't forget to subscribe right down below. Hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that little notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get right into this video, and I'm gonna go in first with the Me So Fleek collection. That's this one right here. One thing I did like is the price point on this. You get 4 products for $49.50, which I felt like was really, really good. I just feel like that was a good price because usually palettes are either like 40-something dollars. And I know this is only a foreshadow palette, but in reality, you get a palette, you get a lip gloss, you get a lipstick, and you also get a blush. So I feel like $49.50 is a really good deal. I love that they gave him the creativity to do what he wanted with this collection. That's really, really inspiring because he didn't just let them take over what he wanted. He kind of like just did everything himself. If you guys watch his video, you guys saw that. But that's why I really like this. So as you guys know, he did have a collection that came out a few months back, but this was pretty shocking to me because I did not expect him to come out with this collection. And I'm excited for him. I'm excited for MAC Cosmetics because you know what? That's where I started too. I started in MAC Cosmetics. If you guys don't know that, I did work for MAC. So this is pretty exciting. So I want to get into showing you guys the products before we get into the look. I don't have anything on my face right now. So going right into the Me So Fleek collection, I'm going to show you guys everything here. So everything is pretty much packaged in this purple paper. So this is how the palette looks, and I'm just going to open it so you guys can see all the shades in this palette. So I might be incorporating the both palettes together in my eye look. Not sure what I'm doing today. I usually like to just wing it, or I have like something in my mind that I want to do, but not sure how it's going to be executed, you know? Like, I don't know. You know what I mean? But anyway. So now we're going to go into the blush powder duo, and I absolutely love the packaging. Like, it's so girly girl to me. I love pink, and purple is basically my favorite colors. So that's how that blush looks. So you get 2 different blushes in the palette, so I really like that. And then now we're going to go into the lipstick and the lip gloss. So this is how the lipstick looks. So pretty. I love it. And then this is how it looks. So this one is called Hey Boy Hey. I'm going to just bring it up a little bit closer so you guys can see how beautiful that shade is. Hopefully my camera kind of picks it up. Let me put my hand over. There we go. So if you guys could see, this one is called Hey Boy Hey. And then this is the lip gloss, which I'm excited to use as well because you guys know I've been into lip glosses lately. So I'm just going to swatch the lip gloss, and I guess I might as well swatch the lipstick for you guys too. So I just swatched that on the back of my hand here so you guys can see the lipstick and the gloss together. So in the box, it comes with this little note from Patrickstarrr, and it just says, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XOXO Patrickstarrr. And then it has the face chart here. So if you guys know anything about MAC Cosmetics, they are into face charts like crazy. When you work there, you have to do like 6 face charts a month. It drove me crazy because I hate doing face charts. But these face charts are super inspiring, and whoever did them did an awesome job. I'm not sure who did them, but they did really good. So now just going into the Me So Chic collection, and this is the face chart for that one. So this one is a little bit more of a natural eye, and obviously the natural lip, which I am living for. I love this natural lip shade. So like I said, each of these comes in their own box. So I'm going to show you guys the blush for this one. Is called I'm Not Blushing. So this is another powder blush duo, and that is how it looks. So super excited to try this. This would actually probably look good as, oh no, it is a blush. I thought maybe it would look as good as a contour, but it's actually really peachy. So yeah, so that is the blush. Then we're gonna get into the eyeshadow. So this is how the eyeshadow looks, and like I said, I might incorporate both the eyeshadow palettes. I'm not sure yet, but this is the eyeshadow palette from that collection. Super pretty. And then I'm gonna go into the lipstick and the lip gloss, which I actually really like. I mean, who doesn't like a nude lip gloss and lipstick? So it's the same design as the other ones, but this one is called, so this one is called Sweet Mama Starrr, and it's more of a nude shade, and I will bring it up close for you guys so you guys can see, and then I'll swatch it as well. So I'll swatch it on the same hand, and let me just swatch it here so you guys could see that. So that is the lipstick, still with a hint of pink. I feel like it's more of a pinky nude. And then we're gonna get into the gloss, which I don't know, guys. I really want to try like the nude one, but then like I haven't done color on my lips in a while, so I might want to try to do a little bit of color. So then I'm just swatching the gloss right beside that lipstick. So this is the gloss here, and tell me this is not beautiful. Like when you look at this, this is exactly what you imagine when you want like something like a neutral gloss. And it also has some specks of pink in there as well. So now that I showed you guys everything, I am going to be doing a look for you guys. So I'm just going to fill in my brows and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've already done my brows and I used my Anastasia concealer to conceal my eyes. And I'm going to go in with this palette first. This is called Stay With Me. And I'm going to take this shade right here and put that in my crease. Okay, so that blended nicely. And just to let you guys know, when I worked at MAC, these foreshadow palettes were really bad. Like I hated them. I hated doing anybody's makeup with these palettes, but I feel like they changed the formula because I feel like it's a little bit more smooth and they're a little bit more blendable and easy to work with. So now I'm gonna go into the next palette here, and I'm gonna take that shade right there, and this is the Play With Me palette. And I'm going to take this shade here and put that in my inner and my outer corner as well. So it almost looks like the other shade, but it's just a little bit darker. So I'm going to have them side by side. So if you guys can see, it almost looks like the other shade, but it's just a little bit darker. So I'm just going to take that shade right here, this one, and I'm going to place that right into the crease as well. And actually, I'm going to put it on the outer and the inner corner. So staying into the same palette, I think I want to take this pink shade right here, and I want to blend that into the outer and the inner corner as well. I'm going to try to use as many shades as possible. I don't think I'm going to be using the blue shade today. I might just make this like more of a purple eye color. So now I think I'm going to take this purple shade right here, and I'm going to take a different brush. I'm going to take this Morphe E28 brush, and I'm just going to go in the outer and the inner corner. So I feel like I honestly want to take this deeper shade right here and just put that in my outer corner, and then just bring it in the inner corner as well. Okay, so just going back and just blending everything together. I'm gonna die of heat stroke in this house. I have to turn off the AC when I'm filming because it's so loud, and I'm actually dying. It's like 90 degrees outside today. So I'm so hot, like I'm sweating in places you guys don't even want to know about. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of some concealer, and I'm just going to put that right in the middle of my lid and blend it out with my finger really quickly. So I think I'm going to take this shade right here and place it right on the middle lid there. So now just going back in with this shade right here, I'm just gonna take, oh, I went in with the wrong shade. Okay, going in with that shade, I'm just gonna take it and just bring it in like gradually. So I just want to make this pop just a little bit more. So I am going to be using this MAC glitter. And this is the glitter in, what is it? The pink hologram glitter. And it's called the Glitter Brilliance. These are new as well. So let me show you guys how this looks. This is so beautiful. So I think I'm going to pop this right on the middle. But I don't want to use a whole lot. So I was going to go in with a little glitter glue, but I can't find it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of some eyelash glue. This is the Eyelaw eyelash glue. And I'm just going to put it right there on my eye. Because this is like real glitter. So you definitely need like some adhesive. So now that I at least got some of the glitter off my face, because I know I'm going to have glitter on my face probably until tomorrow, I'm just going to go in with this Smashbox Super Fans Out Mascara. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. Okay guys, so now just going right into the face, I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. And obviously, as you guys can tell, I've already done my lashes. So I am going to go in with this Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation, but I think I'm going to mix Natural Beige with a little bit of honey, just because I am tan. So I'm just going to put that on the back of my hand, and I'll mix a little bit of honey in that. So I'm just going to take my Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer and just place this underneath the eyes. The reason why I'm taking this one is because it's just a little bit darker. This one is in light neutral. So now going in with my Collab powder, I'm just going to take this and bake my face. I just pulled out the sifter too, because the sifter makes me crazy. It doesn't work as well, but I love the powder. So to set my face, I'm just going to take this MAC Medium Golden Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm just going to set my whole face with the same brush. So going in with MAC Give Me Sun, I'm just going to use this as my blush. I'm just going to use this as my bronzer. Okay, so now I want to go in with the blush, but I'm not sure which one I want to use. So this one is Take Me Home, and then this one is I'm Not Blushing. So I think with this eye look, I may want to use this one here, just because I feel like it would complement the eye really nicely. But I don't know, I'm looking at this one too, so I don't know. Maybe I'll choose this one. So let's go in with this one and just see how it looks. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to go in with this side here. Oh, that is so pretty. That's so pretty, guys. Okay, so now I just want to mix it a little bit. Oh my gosh, I really love that. So now I'm thinking just to go in with a little bit of this. I mean, I know I'm like being a little extra right now, but I want to try both of them. And that blush is stunning as well. Oh my gosh, Patrick, what did you do? Stunning, 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 stunning. But now I think I overdid it with my blush because I wanted to try both of them. So I'm gonna go back in with the Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC and just kind of even everything out, because I think that's a little bit too much going on. Okay, so now I definitely want to go back into the palette, but before I do that, I'm going to go in with this Pixie. This is their Endless Silky Eye Pen, and this one is in black blue. So I'm just going to take this and put this on my waterline. So this is how that looks, and I'm just going to take this and run it under my waterline because I think I want to smoke out the bottom with the blue shade. So I'm just going to go back in and smoke that out. So now going back into the palette, I'm going to take this blue shade right here and I'm going to smoke out that waterline. So just sticking with the whole MAC theme I got going on, I'm going to use this Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC, and I'm just going to mix all the shades here. So guys, I'm so stuck between what lip to use because I just feel like I have a lot going on with the eyes right now. So I feel like a neutral would probably be better. I think I'm gonna have to go in with the neutral shade. Don't be disappointed, guys. I promise I will be using the other shade. You guys will definitely see that lipstick color on me in the future, like maybe even tomorrow. So I'm gonna take this Smashbox Always On lip liner, and this one is in nude medium. And then I'm just gonna take this lipstick, and this one is in Sweet Mama Starrr. And then I'm just gonna take this lip gloss, and this is the nude one, and place that right on top. I definitely feel like this is going to be my nude combo I'm gonna go to because it's absolutely stunning, guys. Like, it's super stunning. I love it. So guys, this is the finished look. I love both of these collections. So Patrickstarrr, you definitely did your thing, boo. I have to give it to you. Gotta give you a thumbs up. I think he did a phenomenal job, and I'm so excited. So I want to say a big congratulations to him because he definitely did his thing, and I loved everything. So I know my eye was a little bit more dramatic, on the dramatic side, but I feel like these shades were just calling my name to be a little bit more dramatic. And I know sometimes I can get stuck in that everyday neutral eye look, but this kind of inspired me to go a little bit bold, a little bit more dramatic. So I'm excited about that. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you guys have not done so already. And let me know down below if you guys picked up any of these products and how you feel about that. And that's it. I don't have anything else more to say, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.